Do refugees get free legal aid for U.S. resettlement? Imagine arriving in a new country with hopes for a fresh start but facing a maze of paperwork and rules. That's where legal help can make a big difference. Many refugees in the United States can access free or low-cost legal aid to help with their resettlement and immigration steps. But it's not automatic. It depends on where they are and what programs are available. Nonprofit organizations and legal service providers often offer these services. They focus on helping low-income refugees, including many Black immigrants, who might face language barriers or unfamiliar systems. These groups provide assistance with important processes like applying for asylum, getting a green card, reuniting with family, or becoming U.S. citizens. Most legal aid for refugees comes from programs funded by government agencies or private donors. These programs offer free or very affordable legal help. They assist with filling out paperwork, representing clients in immigration courts or before agencies, and explaining rights under U.S. law. For example, they can help refugees prepare for interviews or hearings and ensure they meet deadlines. Legal services are usually provided by organizations that specialize in refugee and immigrant law. They serve vulnerable groups like survivors of trafficking, unaccompanied minors, and refugees from different regions. To qualify for free legal aid, refugees generally need to meet certain income levels or have specific humanitarian reasons. The goal is to make sure those who need help the most can access it. The range of services covers many immigration steps. From initial refugee status adjustments to family reunification and naturalization, legal aid can guide refugees through each phase. It's best to seek help early to avoid missing deadlines or losing opportunities. The U.S. government supports some legal aid programs through the Office of Refugee Resettlement and other agencies. But there is no guarantee that every refugee will automatically receive free legal help. Access depends on location and available resources. Some organizations also provide legal education and community outreach. They help refugees understand their rights and responsibilities, which is especially important for Black immigrants who might face additional challenges like language barriers or cultural differences. These services aim to empower refugees to navigate the system confidently. If you are a refugee or know someone who is, reaching out to recognized refugee resettlement agencies, local immigrant rights groups, or legal clinics is a good step. These organizations can connect you with accredited attorneys or representatives authorized to practice immigration law. Always verify that the legal service provider is legitimate to avoid scams. In summary, refugees do have access to free or low-cost legal aid in the United States. While it's not automatically provided, many programs and organizations are ready to help. This support can be essential in overcoming immigration hurdles and building a stable life while honoring your cultural roots.